Hey friends, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how I use Procreate to make digital stickers for my planner. So this is going to be a simple project. We're not going to make anything fancy, so don't worry, I'm sure you can do this as well. I know some of you are way more artistic than me. You can definitely do it. So we're going to start by starting a new document, and I'm just going to choose screen size for this. Alright, as for the brushes, I'm going to use the script brush for the lines of the sticker, and I'm going to use this watercolor kit that I purchased on Creative Market. I will make sure to link it down below so you can check it out. It's quite big and has some very nice brushes. I love this set. So we are going to start with the script brush in black. You can also choose your own color themes. I think for this one, we are just going to start a new one and see where it takes us. So we're gonna start with black, and I'm gonna start making a simple sticker. So I'm just going to draw a little plant like this. Alright, so that was fairly simple. Now I'm going to create a new layer below this one. We're just going to fill it in. I'm going to choose a nice green color for this. It doesn't have to be perfect, of course. It's all digital and the stickers are pretty small, so I don't think you should worry too much about it. I'm purposefully leaving some of the white in to give it more of a watercolor effect. Awesome, now let's give it some more dimension. I'm going to go in lightly with this color as well, and let's save this color and make it a little darker, like that. It's looking good so far. Let's add another color. So I want to add some blue tones to this as well. Something like this. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to choose some of the more splashy. See this? I think that's a pretty cool effect, but I want it bluer actually. Alright, and let's make it small, zoom in a little bit, see what happens. Don't worry if it goes over, we can always use the eraser, it's not a big deal. Okay, so in order to turn this into a sticker, I like when they have a slightly white outline around it so that it gives you a pretty cool effect. And let me show you what I mean. So let's go into my planner. Okay, so take a look at this sticker. See how it has a white edge around it and a shadow? It makes it pop a little bit and it looks like a real sticker in your planner. I want to add it for this one as well. To do this, simply disable the background and add a new layer below everything else. Okay, then I'm going to choose the airbrush hard brush in white And I'm just going to outline the leaves. Another way to do this probably faster is to pull up this file into Photoshop, but I know most of you are beginners, so I think it's overkill, but you can put it into Photoshop and just make a stroke around the edges, a white one, so it will give you the same effect. Same goes for the shadow. You would pull it into Photoshop and just add a drop shadow. But here we're going to do all of this manually just using Procreate. Alright, so that's our little sticker so far. So let's add some edges. I'm going to put back the background color. Let's add another layer, also below at the bottom. And we're going to choose the soft airbrush. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty good. But let's make it even lighter. I think that looks pretty good. So let's go black and let's just make some lines, see what happens. This will make it look like the sticker is further away from the paper. You can make it smaller, more precise to make it seem like the leaf is even closer to the paper. But let's leave it like this for now. And there you go. Now what can we do with this? So just disable the background and export this as a PNG file. This way you make sure that the background will be fully transparent when you put it onto your planner spread. Save it into your gallery and let's go into Goodnotes or any other app that you're using and see what it looks like. Okay, and just pull it up. You can see it's right here, but just make sure to crop it. You can do it freehand or just the old rectangle method. And there you go. Now you have your own sticker that you made yourself. I think it's much more satisfying when you make these by yourself. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something new. Next time I'm going to show you how to make an entire kit. See you next time. Bye!